Namaskar, this is a random guy from VIH Group and I welcome you to the first new episode of Hack News. So let's get started. So today we'll be starting with the good news for the Android users. So Android users can now disable 2G to block string gray attacks. So Google has finally rolled out the option and Android allows users to disable 2G connections, which comes with a host of privacy and security problems exploited by the cell site simulators. Now the next news is from Russia. So yesterday the Russian government announced that they arrested 14 members of Revil ransomware gang on behalf of US authorities. A Russian Internal Security Agency said today it has dismantled the Revil ransomware gang's network and raided its operators' home following arrested yesterday in Ukraine. Now the next news is coming from Ukraine. So Ukraine has suffered a massive cybersecurity attack that has affected Ukraine's foreign ministry, the cabinet of ministers, and the Security and Defense Council. So basically, the hackers have defaced multiple websites of Ukraine government on the nightly between January 13 to January 14. The attacks were launched after the talks between Ukraine's, US, and Russian officials and hit a dead end on Thursday. Now the next news related to a CAPTCHA. So recently, the researchers have finally developed a CAPTCHA solver to aid dark web research. So a team of researchers at University of Arizona, Georgia, and South Florida have developed a machine learning based CAPTCHA solver that they claims over 94.4% of the real challenges on dark website. So now I think we have to focus on any other human verification method. Now the next news is related to a flaw in a biometric ID. So actually the flaw found in a biometric ID devices made by IDEMIA company. So a critical vulnerability has been discovered in more than 10 devices that uses biometric identification to control access to protected areas. So the flaw can be exploited to unlock doors and giving attackers a way to bypass biometric ID checks and physical enter control space. So it has CVSS score of 9.1. So if you are using a IDEMIA device, then I recommend you to do a small security audit. Now the next news is coming from the house of Tesla cars. So security researchers made a startling revelations that could access more than 25 Tesla vehicles in around 13 countries by exploiting the flaw. So according to David Colombo, who claims to be an IT security specialist, so he identified the flaws in third-party software, which a small number of Tesla cars owners use. The flaw allow hackers to take control of some of the car's functionality remotely. Now the next news is for the Intel chips lover. So basically a new Intel chips won't play Blu-ray disc due to SGX deprecation. So Intel has removed support for SGX. So SGX basically means software guard extension. So they removed support for SGX in 12th generation Intel Core 11,000 and 12,000 processor, rendering model unable to play back Blu-ray disc in 4K resolution. So I think this is a bad update for the chipset users. So now that's all for today. So today's question is, which country have the most powerful hackers according to you? So comment down your views in the comment box and we'll give a shout out to the best answer next day. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.